Adventures in the Snow. Maya and Ava's Winter Wonderland. Once, there were two friends named Maya and Ava. It was winter, and everything was covered in white snow. One morning, Maya and Ava put on warm coats, hats, and mittens. They wanted to play in the snow. They went outside and saw a big snowy hill. "Whee!" Maya shouted as she slid down the hill on her sled. Ava laughed and joined her. They slid down again and again, feeling the cold breeze on their faces. After sliding, they built a snowman with a big smile and a carrot nose. They found sticks for arms and used buttons for eyes. Their snowman looked so friendly. As they played, they heard a sound. It was coming from the trees. Maya and Ava looked up and saw a group of birds chirping. They threw some breadcrumbs on the ground, and the birds came to eat. The girls made snow angels by lying on the snow and moving their arms and legs. Then, they had a snowball fight and giggled a lot. Soon, it was getting darker, and the stars started to twinkle in the sky. Maya and Ava knew it was time to go inside. They said goodbye to their snowman and the birds. Back in their warm home, they had hot cocoa with marshmallows. They talked about all the fun they had in the Winter Wonderland. Maya and Ava knew that the snowy adventures would continue tomorrow. They felt happy and cozy as they went to bed, dreaming of more fun in the snowy world. The end.